customer support in banking matters. It shapes how clients experience the brand and how deeply they trust it. But support processes today are often complex, relying on manual handoffs, disconnected systems, and slow, error-prone steps. By applying agentic automation and intelligent process orchestration, you can empower support teams to deliver faster, safer, more personalized service. Let's see how. Sarah, a new client for Clarity Bank, recently spoke with her advisor Jane to request a name change and beneficiary update after her marriage. Traditionally, this would have triggered a chain of chats, emails, and manual data entry across multiple systems. But now, Jane simply enters a natural language request into her Copilot interface. The operations support agent picks up the request and gets to work. Before any processing begins, the case is automatically classified and prioritized in ServiceNow. Cases are routed to the right queues based on urgency, complexity, and risk, ensuring that requests like Sarah's are handled quickly and accurately without overwhelming support teams. This is where Automation Anywhere's process reasoning engine takes over, activating the account update agent to carry out the necessary steps. But rather than following a rigid script, the process reasoning engine dynamically plans the path to resolution, validating policies, determining required documentation, and coordinating the right tools to complete the request. The account update agent begins collecting documents using secure APIs and their banking app, like a marriage certificate and proof of identity. As Sarah uploads the documents, the agent uses document automation to extract and verify the data, cross-checking it against government records in real time. Because this is a high-risk change, the process reasoning engine flags it for human review. Zoe, a support officer, gets a notification in ServiceNow. She uses her automation copilot to review the flagged discrepancy. A mismatch in the beneficiary's name due to a missing middle initial. She confirms it's safe to proceed. With one click, the automation picks up where it left off, generating required forms, preparing the documents for e-signature, and issuing them securely via a mobile app. Before the documents are sent, Zoe uses her automation copilot to double-check whether a new clause has been added to Section 3 of the taxable investment terms. Her copilot confirms the update is included. With confidence, Zoe approves the documents for delivery. Once Sarah signs, the bot completes the update across all systems, sends confirmations to both client and advisor, and logs a full audit trail. And it doesn't stop there. Because the system recognizes a key life event, Sarah's marriage, the life event agent suggests a timely next step: opening a joint account with her new spouse. Sarah receives the notification, explores the suggestion, and books a follow-up conversation with Jane in seconds. What was once a fragmented, manual, multi-day process is now a seamless, intelligent flow from request to completion, with proactive engagement built in. Now, you can deliver a world-class onboarding experience, reduce cost to serve, and unlock time for advisors to focus on meaningful client relationships.